Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYCC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day and then where the price ultimately closed up there, any rational person is to say, yeah, the price definitely made a very, very nice move today. However, that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, fake type movement? And if you've been trading long enough, I'm sure you've seen those fake breakouts. I'm not saying that's the case here, but again, that's the question. Is this breakout today, does it have true strength behind it? I have no idea, but like I said, by using the chart, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And to best do this, I want to scrunch up a chart here a little bit. And in my mind, answering this question revolves all around a single level, and that level here is at $1.97. Why is $1.97 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.97. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this, not saying it will, but pulls back and then behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, over time. It's going to make progress forward, and in this situation, I'm defining make progress forward as $1.97. Now, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above this mark up here at $2.10, that would be the ideal situation. But again, if the price falls below $2.10, by no means am I saying everything's ruined, because you still have that $1.97 mark for the reasons we just discussed. As far as levels of resistance, $2.25 is where the sellers stepped in today, so that'll be public enemy number one going forward. But anyway, slice it. Very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.